Welcome back to the Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media, and I've also been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. Let's talk about the Instagram bio. Your bio is your first impression when someone discovers you on Instagram, whether they came across your content randomly or search for you specifically. You need to be as clear as possible to speak to your ideal clients and guide them to take specific action based on whether they are cold, warm, or hot leads. Priority number one is make sure that you're using a professional account, not a personal account. Now, you can use business or creator. I personally recommend Creator because it gives you access to the full music library for creating things like Reels, which are amazing for growing your audience and reaching potential clients. The business account, by contrast, gives you access to the Facebook Creator Studio. Basically means you can manage your Instagram account from your desktop and do things like scheduling. I like to do lots of creative things. It depends on what your goal is and how you're using your social media. Next, going into the actual bio, your name. Now, whether you're personalizing, if you're building a personal brand using your name, or your business, an LLC, or your team name, depending on marketing or disclosure regulations in your state, you might want to include the word realtor or your brokerage as part of your name. Be careful because you are limited to a specific number of characters, but you can plan that as you see fit. Underneath your name, the next part is called the category. This can be real estate agent, real estate company. Some agents choose to put entrepreneur, but a lot of states want you to disclose that you are a licensed agent, and so a really easy way to do that is by putting it right there in the category. And next, into the big main part of your Instagram bio, your I help statement. This is where you get specific about what sets you apart. Then you're going to use the frame I help blank achieve blank. So basically, who are you helping and what are you helping them to do? How do you help them? What unique skill set do you have to help them achieve their goals? This could be as simple as I help sellers maximize return on their investment. It could also be I help buyers and sellers navigate the crazy real estate market in Northern Virginia. You can basically build it around your personality, but make sure that you're speaking as specifically as possible to who you want to help. You can also leave it at that, just the I help statement, or you can add some emojis. You can add a few words about things that you like, biking, dogs, wine, etc. And don't forget your brokerage if you haven't put it somewhere else, if that's required for your marketing disclosure. And finally, the link. It is so important to use that one space for a link for something really valuable. Now, you might just have one website and be totally happy just directing all traffic to that website. However, you might also maintain a blog. You might have a search for a home aspect of your website, and you also might have a testimonials aspect of your website. Wouldn't it be great if you could direct people to multiple different spots? But Instagram only gives you one link space in your profile. So you can use something like Linktree, or there are other competitors to that. I'm just most familiar with Linktree. But when you do this, you can give visitors options on different ways to access your different content or ways to get to know you. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, Take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.